All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for level number 8, otherwise known as the Ariadne level, from the Hades CTF labs on hackmyvm.eu. So for any one of these levels, you need to take a look at the mission.txt file that is in the home directory when you start the level. So let's take a look, and this is mission number 8. The user Ariadne lets us use CP on our behalf. Okay? So that means that the Ariadne user is the user whose password we need to steal to get to the next level. So CP is the copy command on Linux, and what we would do is we would try to figure out if our user can run any sudo commands. So sudo commands are commands that are run in the context of another user. Usually when we refer to the sudo command, we're talking about sudo as the super user, which is named root on Linux systems. So if we use this command here, it lets us know if we can run any commands as sudo, and it says user Ariadne may run the following commands on Hades. So as the Ariadne user with no password, they can run bin cp. So the copy command it's a very commonly used Linux binary, which is used to copy files from one location to another. The way we can abuse these common Linux binaries, it's very well documented on a website called gtfobins.io. So on this website, if you know that you've got elevated privileges with any one of the common Linux binaries, you can search for them inside this box here on the website. So this is CP, and we have sudo permissions with this. So we can just click on that. It'll tell us how to do the attack. So if the binary is allowed to be run as super user by sudo, it does not drop elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system, escalate, or maintain privileged access. So we've got a file to write, and let's see, what can we do here? This overrides CP itself with a shell or any other executable that is executed as root. Not root in this case, but as another user. Useful in the case that the sudo rule allows you to run CP by path. This is a destructive action. So we're trying not to run any destructive actions, but what we can do here is we can read a file. So lfile equals, actually we can write a file. We can also use this to copy and then read or write files from restricted file systems or with elevated privileges. Okay, so we got lfile equals file to write. Hold on, let me take a look at what I have for this level. Okay, so we're given sudo permissions as the Ariadne user with the bin cp binary, so we can run we can get the password file for the let's see, for the Ariadne user, and then we can specify the file and then use sudo to read the file using the cp command. So apparently the cp command can be used to read files. Okay, because we're copying the file over to standard out, and standard out, it's basically going to print it out to the console. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing we do is we find out where the password file is, because there's no standard location for the passwords in this game. So let me just check. Let's see, ls. Let's take a look at the etc directory. Okay, so we're looking for, it's called Hades, right? Hades. So there's no Hades, there's no Hades password directory in here. So what we need to do is we need to search for files that the Ariadne user owns using the find command. So there's an erected password user that we locate over here using the find command. And the next thing that we do is we use the copy command to read the file. And this is the command we use. So in this case, we're going to read this file right here, and we're going to copy it to standard out, which means we're just going to print it out to the console. And with that, we're able to read this user's password. Okay. Okay, let's get out of here. And let's talk about what we did in that level before we finish it. So in this level, we find out that the already user lets us run the cp command. And when we run the cp command as this user, we can read files. And we got the information for how to do this over at the GTFOBen's website over here. And we were able to use this to first locate where the password file is by using the find command, and then using the cp command with sudo to read that file and get the password for the next level. All right, everybody, that was the Ariadne level, otherwise known as level number 8, from the Hades CTF lab over at hackmyvm.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.